My name is Fernando. My topic is web server. Basically, web servers static connection to a browser route a file and server over the network to user browsing. This change is immediate by the browser and server touching each other using HTTP.
The networking room is the first stop on our data center floor. The equipment here routes requests to the right servers in the next room. These computers also allow our data centers to communicate with one another globally. On the server floor, powerful computers handle everything from billions of searches to hosting YouTube videos and protecting your email against viruses. We've custom designed these servers to be compact and energy efficient. To ensure you have access to your data whenever you need it, we keep each piece of data stored on at least 2 servers. We store another copy of the most important data on digital domain. When a hard drive breaks, we erase all of its content. Then, for extra security, we destroy it with our disk crusher. The machines in our data centers are always working. Cooling towers like these pipe in water to cool them down and keep them running. When the water heats up, we pump it back outside where it evaporates. Now that you've had a glimpse, walk inside yourself. Explore a Google data center with Street View.
Common features: virtual hosting, large file support, bandwidth throttling, server-side scripting. Pros: completely easy over hardware specification, easy access to and control over hardware, easy change to upgrade to software, total control over content and software, lower initial cost, fewer barriers to entry, no continental.
The Data Center of the Future demo is a 24-rack simulated data center showcasing a complete suite of data center partner solutions in a data center environment. This collaborative effort, driven by Cisco, includes the participation of 7 critical Cisco data center partners: APC, EMC, Emerson, NetApp, Oracle, Panduit, and VMware. The demo was presented for the first time at Cisco Live 2009 in San Francisco and was a major attraction of the show floor. A large number of the 10,000 plus Cisco Live attendees stopped by to discover the perfect integration of the Cisco Unified Computing, Unified Fabric, data center switching, storage networking, and application networking solutions paired with the cutting-edge equipment of Cisco partners.
Cons: dealing with servers, providers, IP address issues, internet speed, internet reliability, lack of redundancy, hawking personal bandwidth, no easy upgrade or downgrade option. Running limit: usually between 2 and 8,000 by default between 5,000 100 and 1,000, and it can serve only a certain maximum number of requests per second, depending on its all settings.
Power utilization
The
effectiveness value of
HTTP
1.25.
request type, whether the content is status of dynamic.
We'll be visiting. Here we see the cooling towers, the power distribution centers, and the generator farm. Our first action shot shows water flowing down the cooling tower fill. The plant itself is designed to maximize water-side economization through a combination of elevated process water temperatures, low approach temperature plate and frame heat exchangers, and a chiller bypass path. As we swing over to the electrical yard, we see a medium to low voltage distribution center. The transformer itself is not exotic, but boasts a better than 99.5% efficiency, as evidenced by the relatively small cooling radiators attached to it. As part of the distribution center, the transfer switches serve to connect the generators seen here. Eventually, the output of the distribution center is run into the building through these low voltage cables. Stepping inside the building, we again pick up the low voltage distribution lines. Cable routing takes place in these standard trays that eventually head off for connection to the container switch panels. We now step into the cooling plant. As we pull back, we get an overall view of the web of piping required to connect all the equipment together. As the water returns from the cooling towers, a portion of it is taken off and directed through a side stream filtration system before being returned to the loop. Continuing on, we trace the piping down to the array of pumps where we see that we experience our share of leaks. Of course, when we talk about cooling plant efficiency, the chiller uses the most power and is therefore our biggest target. And an important part of reducing chiller hours is the use of plate and frame heat exchangers with their low approach temperature characteristics. We conclude the tour of the plant with a shot of the thermal storage tanks and the distribution piping that carry the water